Hello, this is Muaj from the JINLITE group. I'm the merchandising head of this group, and in today we are execute our garments and our fabric as well. So we are the garments manufacturer and we are the fabric manufacturer as well. We are the Chinese liaison company. So we have a factories in Bangladesh located in Mongla EPZ, and we have a fabric manufacturing and which is located in China, and we have a plan to build a fabric mill in Bangladesh in Mongla EPZ. So basically we need our visitor to come and show our fabric, especially our outdoor fabrics for high visibility fabric. So all you are invited to visit our stall. So far we have a good exhibition here, and yes, visitors are coming here, and after the exhibition we are happy to serve everyone, and feel free to ask anything you need, and we are always ready to cooperate. Thank you.